soldering micro USB connector. Lots of flux from the flux pen. Swap to a very small pointy tip, which won't focus. You get the idea. And about 310 degrees for this. Some nice thin solder. It's a bit messy at this point, so add a little extra flux. And go over each connection. It's not perfect. You can see we scraped a little bit of that resistor away around the wire, but it's all the same brown pen. It'll do. Now we just swap to a large tip. Well, I say large. Still pretty small. And then using a slightly larger solder, just because it's cheaper, fill in the back. These are just the frame pins, so these are all ground. Need a fair amount of heat, as the whole of the back of this board is a drop of flood. Oops.